Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the very first video of Kotlin programming series. Kotlin is a statically typed general purpose programming language developed by JetBrains. It was first introduced by JetBrains in 2011 and a new language for the JVM. Kotlin is an object-oriented programming language just like Java, and it also contains features of functional programming. Alright, so that's about introduction, and we'll start with the very basics of Kotlin and we'll dive into more advanced concepts as we move along. In this video, we'll start with the very basic Hello World application. In this video, we will learn how to create your first Kotlin file and how to define main function and print something on the output window. To create Kotlin file, we'll right click on the source folder and go to New tab and select Kotlin file, and we are gonna name it main. Now we will create our first main function in the file. So we are going to type fun main with the set of opening and closing parentheses, and we'll define a body of our main function. Inside the function, we are going to write our first statement. We'll write println and we'll type the message that we want to print on the output window. We are done with our main function, and now we are going to run it by clicking on the play button. We will wait for the program to compile and run, and once that's finished, we will see the result on the output window. Now our program is up and running, and we can see the Hello World message on the output window. The println function is defined in the standard library, and what it does is print the given message and the line separator to the standard output stream, which is our output window. Alright, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we will explore variables in Kotlin, and do subscribe the channel for future updates.